Today, I'll show you how to automate deal flow in HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your sales process and make it more efficient, automating deal flow within HubSpot is a great place to start. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up automated workflows that can save you time and help you manage your deals more effectively. Let's begin by heading over to HubSpot. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings menu. You can find this by looking for the gear icon, which is typically located in the top right corner of your dashboard. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the settings page. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the one labeled Objects and click on it. This will expand a list of object types available in HubSpot. From here, select Deals. This is where all your sales pipelines are managed. Once you're on the Deals page, find the section labeled Pipelines. Click on it, and you'll see a list of all the pipelines that have been set up for your organization. If you have multiple pipelines, be sure to select the one you want to automate. After selecting your desired pipeline, you'll be taken to an editor view where you can customize how your pipeline functions. At the top of this editor, you'll notice a tab labeled Automate. Click on this tab to access the automation settings for your pipeline. This is where the magic happens. By automating certain tasks and actions, you can ensure that your deals move smoothly through the pipeline without manual intervention. In this Automate section, you'll see options labeled Stage Actions. This is where you can define specific actions that should be triggered when a deal reaches a particular stage in your pipeline. To begin setting up an action, look for the plus icon, which resembles a small circle with a plus inside it. It's located under each stage of the pipeline. Clicking on this icon will allow you to add an automation to that specific stage. For example, you might want to send a follow-up email automatically when a deal reaches the qualified stage, or perhaps assign a task to a team member when it moves to the proposal sent stage. The possibilities are quite flexible, allowing you to tailor the automation to fit your team's workflow. As you configure these automations, think about what actions will have the most impact on your sales process. Consider the repetitive tasks that take up time but could easily be automated. The goal is to create a seamless flow that keeps your team focused on high-value activities rather than getting bogged down with administrative tasks. Once you've set up the desired automations, it's important to test them to ensure everything is working as expected. This might involve running a few test deals through the pipeline to see if the triggers are firing correctly. It's always better to catch any issues early before they can impact your actual sales process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can automate deal flow in HubSpot, making your sales process more efficient and less time-consuming. Remember, the key is to continuously refine and adjust your automations as your business needs evolve. Thanks for tuning in, and happy automating.